Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Wednesday, May 5th, 1999, 8 am. Come into your refuge. Let yourself be rocked by the transmission. It is a joy to follow your efforts. Your perseverance is touching. Your love and your faith in us bear their fruits. In the spirit of your existence, where you cannot enjoy outdoor life, the sun and the fresh air can be found inside yourself. This handicap compels you to push very strongly the door of the heart and to answer its aspirations. You could rove the world and yet you would feel lonely and sad. Your destiny is quite different. This does not depend on us. We try to embellish your isolation, but we don't maintain you in this state to take advantage of you. That is wrong statement. In bracket, comment made by X. It is contrary to the divine laws. We do not create a situation to benefit from it. We use the gifts and the states of the heart. A well-hardened soul which offers itself to us is guided for the good in its progress. We are both sad and happy for what you are enduring. When you have left the earth and your mortal coil, you will bless it. We will resume later. Babuji. Wednesday, May 5th, 1999, 10 am. Each passing day leads you towards the goal. Throughout the way, gather the good things you can find. Find your luggage with true values and immutable treasures. Crowns can be lost or stolen. Build up reserves that will open the doors to you. They are your major assets, irreplaceable for the beyond. Store up all that is possible, including small nothings which may seem negligible. All is numbered. We would like you to become aware of the illusion of life. It is only a step, small or big, taken in a given direction. We would like you to perceive the subtlety of work being done on you. We preen your wings to allow you to fly better. We strengthen them so that you can soar. These comments are colorful but may not be meaningful. You should know that your masters attend to your every need, that each one of you receives what they need in line with the level of the request. We do not quicken the pace, but we give thanks when a soul aspires to rise and we can help it. That's all. Babuji. Thursday, May 6, 1999, 8 am. How can you believe that the source can run dry? Are our resources so poor? Some of our brothers are disappointed. So many false rumors have been spread about the centenary. They thought naively that their life was going to change overnight. Things do not happen like that. My son's comments were misconstrued. Spiritual progress does not bring about such a change in one's daily life. Fortunately, the majority of the participants are satisfied. This type of seminar will not happen again in their lifetime. Others will follow of another time. This one will have marked the beginning of a new era. We are going toward other times, different in many respects. Humans will have to adapt. They always did so, since the Neanderthal man. Spirituality must imperatively prevail. It is what can save the world. Many souls are waking up and moving towards freedom. It is what characterizes this time. But it is necessary to go much further without slackening, to suppress the forces of evil. This invisible army which works in the darkness. The forces of good must prevail sooner or later. This is why we insist so much so that the individual practice develops and intensifies to become exemplary in this great plan. Babuji. Thursday, May 6, 1999, 10 am. As we have already mentioned, it is unfortunate that even prefects had disseminated such ineptitudes. That does not matter. Let us turn the page. That has not prevented the work from being done. It is huge. You have neither reference mark nor the means of evaluating this extraordinary result. That is not important. It is enough for you to believe in us and to advance without losing enthusiasm, which pushes you in such circumstances. Do not forget that you are the soldiers of faith. You partake in the upcoming great upheaval. You may not witness its effects on earth, but I assure you that they are already effective. Keep joy in your heart. It is not said that humanity will remain in the darkness until the end of time. A big army is being levied. It will move in a striking way in the future decades. You are in the heart of the system of this typhoon, which must shatter the world in the good sense, as you often say, my daughter. The medium asks, what do I say? Lift up your hearts, never give in, keep the heart of a child in a powerful body. Let your energies increase tenfold. You are contributing to the development of a new world. Help us in its fulfillment. Have I motivated you enough? It's up to you to see. Be blessed for what you are doing already. Babuji.